Good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The week has started beautiful London morning. And I started a bit earlier as we were talked about it. Oh, man. Well, technically, we are in the London kill zone, so why shouldn't we? This is not a trade I'm in, but I immediately have to say that I want to see this high to be broken. So I have a pending order at 54, actually it's 54.75. Yeah. Pending order at 54.75. I'd like to see this break through this high right there. I think I'm just gonna get filled. It's a probe trade. I can say that. I'm not sure that it's gonna turn out well, but it's the smallest position I can go with. It's like I'm risking like 40 something dollars on this trade, so just the usual probe trade in the morning and in the start of the kill zone. But anyway, we're gonna have Swiss news in 20 minutes, so who knows, is it gonna do anything with the Nasdaq? We have a very small tiny fair value gap here. That's why this position for me is also just a small one. So gonna be curious if we're gonna get it or not. Most likely not. Look at that. So that's it. How is everybody doing this fine morning? Looking forward to see. By the way, I think I'm gonna take this. I'm on the competition account as well at my funded futures, so it's gonna be awesome. Is this the competition? Yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm going to put a limit order on the competition account as well. 55 maybe. Maybe I'm gonna do that. Hold on. Okay, let me choose Nasdaq. There, it's better. So I'm gonna put a limit order on the competition account too. I'm gonna go with a buy limit. And hopefully we will get it. I don't even know. Where is the stop loss at 47? Maybe it's a little bit tight. Zoltan, good morning. You're a good. Good morning, fellow Hungarian trader here. How is everybody doing? Don't forget to push the like. We're over the 1,000 subscribers, guys. Last week, Methodical Man helped us out. He was super generous, sending quite a few people to our channel. So thank you. It was great. No, I'm early. Everybody was saying last week and before that I should be starting earlier the London session. So I said, all right, we can do that. So now I'm here. Everybody wanted me to start earlier. So yeah, I started. My final TP should be, oops, sorry. My final TP for this trade should be at 69.75-ish. 69.75. Yeah, right up there. 69.75. Oh, yeah, quite up there. 69.75. So let's see. I'm in the trade. I got tapped in here. And I just don't know if are we going to do a new high or is this just going to fake us out? I still don't know. We're going to have Swiss news real soon. So no idea. No idea. How is everybody doing this morning? do subscribe, push the like. And by the way, today is the last day to grab your 80% Apex account. Just saying, last day. Also the last day to grab your non-activation fee My Funded Futures account. So go grab it. There's some links in the description there. It's really the best deal, and today is the last day. But if you want to start with TOPSTEP, and if you're a brand new customer, you can use my link down below and you will get a 20% discount for your first purchase of combine accounts. Oh yeah, and BULENOX as well. Go check out BULENOX. I think they still have the sale. I have to check it out because they're changing like every day. They're really changing every day here. Yeah, they still have the 83% sale. So BULENOX is still doing that. At least for at this moment it says. Lionheart, hey there. Why did you enter this trade? What's the cause? Oh yeah, sure. Good question. So my entry system, my entry model is partially based on being in a trend. So I'm using exponential moving average and RSI, but mainly this is not my final go-to to enter. I just wanted to see if we are in a slightly bullish trend. But if I zoom out on the 15-minute or whichever higher time frame, we have historical high here. The historical high is at 72.75. So this is a little bit like a bullish flag to me. I do like it. I would like to see this historical high to be broken or at least tapped once, kind of like causing a divergence before it would like to drop. So that's my narrative. Almost the same scenario on the 1 hour. I know it's pretty much overbought, but still I wanted to see a break of those highs. So Trader Oracle, hey there in the house. Yeah, Trader Oracle is in the house. So what happened if I go down to the 1 minute is we shifted structure to the upside right after the London kill zone started. And I can show you right here. The London kill zone started right here. We had the bullish market structure shift with a displacement, and displacement I mean we had a fair value gap here, this light area right there. And so I thought that okay, maybe this is the time to, you know, I mean for this to go and make a new high. And that's it. That was my reasoning for entering the trade. I'm not saying it won't be dipping down like crazy. So it can go down the elevator in 2 seconds. I know that. I know it can go down. I'm perfectly aware of that. And that's why I only took a very small risk on this trade. I don't mind if it goes to absolute red and takes me out. I still wanted to see if this move is gonna prevail or not. I think we still have some chance for this to make a new high, and that was the reason. Hey there, Grammy R, yeah, I hope I pronounced it right. Good morning and welcome everyone. You guys deserve an applause for being here. So that was my reasoning to enter this trade on Nasdaq. Slight market structure shift, or should I say continuation to the upside. With a little bit displacement, fair value gap there, historical highs, all-time historical highs right above us. I know everybody should be short. I mean, supposedly a lot of retail traders are short at this point, and there might be one more squeeze in the morning, causing a divergence later on. That was what I was aiming for. My stop is a little bit tight, but I don't care. It is what it is. If I lose it, I lose it. You know, guys, just playing out the edge, as I was saying in the video. And so that's my reason for being in this trade. Let me know what you guys are thinking or what you guys are doing. What are you guys up to? Are you guys looking for some other trade? And we'll see. We have a nice weather outside. I might be going out for a walk again. So I'm a little bit in drawdown, back below break even. Started out good, but you know, if it takes me out, so be it. And what else? The stop loss is 47 for me. Sorry, and the take profit is, oh, damn it, sorry. The take profit is at 70. I have to modify my, actually I'm gonna leave it at there. At 70. So right now we're back in that fair value gap. We'll see. I don't trade this solely. Well, not many of us do. And as you can see, this is, by the way, from last week, the winners I had on Nasdaq, which saved me, came right early in the London kill zone before the London Open. It's kind of interesting, I know, because most likely, I mean, most of the time I don't really like to take trades as well before the London Open. But, you know, I thought that maybe we could be aiming for making higher highs here and squeezing out some shorts. That's why it's beautiful. Everybody has a plan in this business. But I'm risking like a super small, like $40 or something per account. I don't really concerned about this. If it takes me out, it's fine. I'm just gonna be looking for some decent position after the open, maybe. We have Swiss news in less than 10 minutes, so yeah, this might not be the ideal condition for this trade, but we're just gonna wait. That's it. Nas the Dragon, hey there. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, guys. How is everybody? How was the weekend? I hope everybody did good. Everybody is well rested. I feel great. Last week was great. It was awesome. And this week is going to be great as well. Whatever the market does or gives us, we're going to be still going forward. So, yeah. That's what we will do. I'm just looking for this to make a new historical high. That's all. If not, it's fine as well. Don't forget, guys. Crypto Panda, hey there. Good morning. Risk management is the key. Don't forget that. Risk management is the key. I know I say it a lot of time, and I also do the same mistakes like everybody else. Sometimes I break my rules and I have to narrow down those times to, like, not just the bare minimum, to 0. But risk management is the key to success in this business. Maybe the Swiss news can move the price a little bit. Not sure. Or it's going to take us out before that. I don't know. So glad to see everybody, guys. Please push the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, do so. And check out the discounts. We have today is the last day at My Funded Futures and at Apex 2 to grab your best discounts. 80% last day today. Click the link, use the code. You know, it's one of the best upfront deals out there. But the true cost deal, the best one, is expiring today. My Funded Futures, for example, you can grab an 50K account with no activation fee for $90, guys. For $90 with no activation fee. Just saying. That's the cheapest in the market right now. So, but still, TOPSTEP is very good. Consider check him out. Click the links. Go check him out. We have some very good deals last day today. Oh no, it's gonna take us out. What is happening? It is interesting, but it might be going down. Yeah, it's going south. It's going south. Unfortunate. I'm also trading my competition account at My Funded Futures. I saw that everybody is going with the full lot size, which is one contract. Sorry, full contract. You can use one contract, but there is no limitation in drawdown, which is quite interesting. You can also join the My Funded Futures competition if you want to. Did you hear Tom Methodical Man is making good month salary? Yeah, I watched this video. I also congratulated him. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's awesome. So I congratulated him as well. Do you know if you can trade the news and the open of BULENOX? I can't find that info. I don't know because I didn't really care about that because I don't really trade the news. But it's a good question. Good question, Crypto Panda. I'm not really sure. No. I cannot use. They stated it on the Discord, Nas the Dragon, that I cannot use 1 mini and 10 micros at the same time. So if I use, for example, 10 micros and 10 minis at the same time, I'm breaching the competition rule. They stated it clearly in the Discord. So for example, if I use 5 micros and 1 mini, I'm also breaching the rule. So the maximum size can be 1 mini contract or 10 micros across the board. Whichever market you're trading, whatever you do, you cannot exceed the 10 micros or 1 trade with 1 mini. But yeah, and as a dragon, it's really awesome. I'm gonna do a recap for my affiliations as well. Methodical Man has more than 2,000 subscribers. Now I have the 1,000. I can tell you that my affiliation income is only a portion of Methodical Man's. So actually, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. For February, I made about, across all the affiliations, with Apex, with TOPSTEP, and what else? I mean, My Funded Futures I didn't even make. So with Apex, with TOPSTEP, do I have something else? I made a little bit over $200, maybe 300. I think. I have to check the exact numbers I'm gonna be getting. I know, no, sorry. No, it's actually 300. It has to be 300. It's about, yeah, it's more than $300. So I made a little bit over $300 across my affiliations in February, and I have about 50% as much subscribers as Methodical Man, and he made, I think he made like $4,000 with affiliates. I made a little bit over $300 with affiliations. So, you know, it differs, and it also differs what kind of traders are signing up to you as an affiliate. I mean, as customers, because, for example, if you have someone who is using your code, who is I know it sounds bad, but if you have someone who is blowing accounts like almost every week, then that person is going to use your code like a lot of times during the month, right? And maybe not for the smallest accounts. So it differs on many factors, I think, of how much affiliate commission you get. But it was really amazing to hear like Methodical Man is making that kind of money. No, I'm not going to do TikTok shorts. No way. I think in my opinion, TikTok is... I have a TikTok account. I was thinking about it. I was thinking about to do something on TikTok. But the more I spend time on TikTok, and especially in this space, in this niche of trading niche, I start to realize it's like, I don't know. I'm not sure. To make TikTok shorts, I think it requires much more effort, especially in the trading niche, for you to move forward. I think that's my personal opinion. I think especially for someone like me who is streaming while trading, YouTube is much better and it's a much comfortable platform. I'm not willing to take a shot yet on TikTok. I'm not saying I won't, but yet I'm not ready for TikTok. I don't think I want to. It takes a lot of energy, I'm already behind my schedule. I promised a lot of things to Discord. I have to work on that. So, but guys, all I can tell you is that I made a little bit over $300 from affiliations with 1,000 nearly. Well, actually, I had around 800 subscribers, and I'm streaming every day in London, a little bit in New York, while Methodical Man is streaming in New York and he has double the subscribers like me, more than double. He's made 4,000, and so that gives us, I made 10% of what he did with more than double the amount of subscribers. So the numbers are not really, you shouldn't just look at this like from one perspective, from one channel, because it depending what kind of users or customers you have. As I said, news coming out right now. So you could be having Swiss CPI just came out, guys. So you could be having just one customer, for example, who is buying the biggest evaluation accounts at least 2 times every week. Now, if that person is using your code, that is definitely going to push your affiliate commission quite a lot. And that's why it's impossible to measure the affiliate commissions to the size of the channel. But I'm not hiding everything. I'm going to do a comparison too. I'm going to ask Methodical Man if he agrees to put him as an example next to my channel, because he already put out the video, so I can compare his channel to my channel of how one other channel is doing with affiliate links and streaming, and how my channel is doing, and we can do a comparison in affiliations. But all I can tell you is that I made less than 10% of what he makes. I think it's because the streaming time. I should be streaming more in New York. Maybe I should be doing more content, of course. Maybe, I don't know. It's interesting. It's interesting. It's a business, of course. It's a business. Slow day today after Friday. Yeah. The only thing I was looking until now, I don't know what to do right now, is to maybe squeeze the shorts once more to the upside. Swiss news came out. Nothing really happened yet. So we're waiting for London Open right now. I don't know what's gonna happen right now. Maybe we're gonna dip down. Seems like it. Seems like it, pretty much. Pretty much seems like it. It's only a few points down, so I don't know if we're gonna stay bullish or bearish or whatever is gonna happen. But it's definitely a slow day, Joy. Oh, by the way, Joy, it's you. Welcome, Joy. And welcome everyone who is new. Plus, you have all the profitable traders. Yeah, Zoltan, so there you go. If I have all the profitable traders, which I do, amongst you guys, then you guys are not purchasing more evaluation accounts. And if you're not purchasing more evaluation accounts, I'm not getting commission. So guys, I would like you all to lose your accounts and just buy more with my link. Yeah. Oh yeah, I have 1K subs thanks to Methodical Man. Friday he was Thank you so much, Joey. Thank you. Friday, he was very generous on live stream and told everyone who could jump into my channel and put a sub there. So he was great. Greatness is not good for profit. Yeah. Yeah, Methodical Man, he was awesome. He helped me a lot. And last week, on Friday, he helped me to push the account, the channel over to the 1K limit, and I was super happy, and it was really great. It was really great. Nice gesture from him. Few streamers out there who helps out each other that way. Well, yeah, you know, guys, it helps to pay the power bills. You know, if I can get a few bucks from YouTube after this month, if I can just pay some power bills from the YouTube income, now that I'm hopefully, I mean, I got monetized or get monetized, that's great. You know, that also helps out the whole stream and everything. So I'm really grateful for that. So still, if you can, grab your discounts. Again, if somebody new, because I see that more viewers are here. Today is the last day to grab your 80% discount at Apex. Also the last day to grab your cheapest no activation fee account at My Funded Futures. For example, you can get no activation fee on My Funded Futures on the starter accounts. Whichever starter account you choose, no activation fee. So for example, a 50K account, you can get it for $90 if you use the code FEB10, or you can just type my code. It doesn't get any cheaper than that, including the activation fee. But Apex is also a very good deal. And if you're brand new to TOPSTEP, and if you register through my link, you're going to have a 20% discount from your first purchase. Serdar, hey there. How you doing? How you doing, Serdar? Nice to see you. Oh no, guys, this trade is going not so well. I thought that we are gonna have the short squeeze. You know, we survived the Swiss news. I was really hoping for that. We had the displacement, we had the market shift. We still have some historical highs up there. I thought that we're gonna aim for kind of a divergence in the higher time frame, but nothing yet. Let me check the ES just for a second. Thank you, Sedar. ES is technically hovering at, it is doing nothing technically. Let me check the Russell. I forgot to check that out this morning. We have some potential highs on the Russell too. Previous day high. I'm still bullish. Yeah, I'm bullish on the Russell pretty much. We had a fair value gap here. Quite interesting. I mean, if someone wants to enter here and then maybe put the stop down there. Hold on. A little bit of risky scenario, I think. But who knows, right? Thinking to enter, but I don't know. Maybe before London I shouldn't be pushing that hard. maybe for now it would be enough only with the Nasdaq. But the Russell is definitely looks good. It looks promising. Looks promising. Somebody subscribed. Thank you. Growth Crusaders, thank you so much for subscribing. Welcome, welcome on the channel, and huge applause. Good to see you on the channel. So I'm looking at Russell as well. I just, you know, like to see it go higher, but I'm not sure if it wants to. Or it will. I'm gonna play around with the numbers just a bit to measure. No. Never mind. Yeah, okay. Gonna have to wait until London Open. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Growth Crusaders. Thank you for the comment there. Good to see you here, and thank you for that. Thank you. So again, if somebody is asking what the hell am I doing here on Nasdaq, I was aiming for one more test to the historical highs, maybe a divergence on the higher time frames. We had the market structure shift on the 1 minute with the fair value gap, a little bit of displacement there. I was hoping for a continuation, aka a short squeeze. So it might not happen. Who knows? London Open is still here. I'm not in the Russell. I was just measuring this trade. I'm not in the Russell long. I was just checking this because it also looks very promising. But well, actually, I didn't want to put on more risk than I should have. Have you get any payouts from BULENOX? No, I didn't. I like to know if I can get all the profits from these as soon as it hit profit target. If I lose the account, no, I didn't. I'm not there yet. The only payouts I had was from TOPSTEP. I'm still building up these accounts. I had no payouts from BULENOX or from my funded futures. So I'm building these evaluations right now. The only payout from that was from TOPSTEP. Greem would have preferred the squeeze during Asia session. May still happen. It is Monday after a trend day, so maybe just chop. Yeah, it could be chopping. That's what I'm afraid too. It might be taking me out before the London Open anyways. So 30-second time frame trades are getting in and out before M1 trades. Yeah. So I think I might have jumped too early here. London Open may give us a little bit of volume, even if it takes me out. Maybe it will give some kind of a direction. This is a small position for me, so I might as well just look for something else if it takes me out. No hard feelings on this trade. No hard feelings for this trade for me. I mean, from me. And as for the Russell, Actually, I do like the Russell a little bit more right now. But I don't know. We have this new week opening gap. That's actually is not closed yet properly. But still, I thought that we're gonna have a short squeeze. Same scenario for Nasdaq. So I don't know. Macro in 7 minutes. Yeah. The opening macro starting out, so it might be sweeping some liquidity. The question is from which side. My entry is actually, I'm gonna tell you my exact entry. It should be the same. My entry is 54.75. Yeah, my entry is 54. I'm also taking this trade on the competition account. I can show you guys. As you can see, I copy trading this between the evaluation accounts, and I have one mini contract on the competition account, so I don't really put too much pressure on that. But as you can see, I'm a little bit drawdown. My entry is at 54.75. I have this position across 5 accounts. But if you know, I'm just going with 3 micros, so I'm not too much concerned about this. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Only 3 micros, guys. Oh yeah, Bitcoin. What's going on with Bitcoin here? Going for 70K, right? Oh yeah, it seems like it. Seems like Bitcoin is going for it. Oh, let me go back to Russell. I'm not buying Bitcoin, definitely not. Not at these levels, and not anyways. But yeah, it's definitely going for it. I feel a little bit of FOMO. It was too much risk for me to take before the London session, so I'm sticking with Nasdaq for now, and that's it. 3 micros a day keeps the day job away. Yeah. Well, hey guys, a few micros here and there, and anybody can get to the funding stage if you have some kind of a good edge. Oh damn it! Look at this Nasdaq. Playing with my time here, not with my nerves, but I was really hoping for that squeeze to the upside. It was looking so good. It was looking promising, and it's still like 13 minutes until open, so we're gonna be looking for maybe a second chance if we have an entry. The Russell, I feel FOMO a bit because I see these highs on the Russell at 77.8. I do think there's a chance for it to go there, but as for the NQ, it's just a waiting game. Let me check, by the way, something here real quick. Okay, nothing. Never mind. We're gonna wait. Crypto Panda says, all I want for at the end of 2024 is 100K. I would be happy with that as well. I would be happy with that. I'm gonna travel to a nice vacation if I have a few $1,000s by the end of the summer. I don't want to go to a summer vacation in August because there's a lot of people all around. My favorite time to go vacation on the summer is September. I like September because the family is with the kids, the small kids, go home, and places are much more quieter, and you know, you have some better prices somewhere. So September I like. That's what I'm aiming for. I'm gonna go for a nice summer vacation this year. I really want to. Last year was that's one of my goals for this year. I might want to go to Spain, maybe to the Canary Islands or something. I don't know. I was actually thinking, what am I gonna do if I'm on a summer vacation but I want to stream? Maybe I'm gonna stream from the beach on my mobile, on my cell phone, and we're gonna be calling out trades from the beach. That's gonna be that should be interesting to call out some trades next to the beach. I can do that actually on a laptop. Tom, have you looked into the turtle soup strategy? I see a lot of people using it. I haven't, but yeah, I looked into it. Haven't tested it though. So I don't have enough sample size for the turtle trades. I looked into it. I have notes about the turtle soup entries. I watched videos from ICT himself about the turtle soup, and from other YouTubers as well, traders. I'd say everybody has a little bit of a different approach. I just I haven't really tested it, not on demo, not on real account. I haven't even back tested it, to be honest. I was studying it, I was watching it sometimes, what happens, but yeah, from the beach in the shade. Yeah, the definitely Zoltan, definitely. It's getting tighter. It's getting tighter, and I don't like that because it seems like we're gonna have a breakout soon if we're getting tighter here. And I'm really hoping that we're gonna have a bullish breakout from this area. I feel the FOMO for Russell a little bit now. Still more than 8 minutes. Let me check. Yeah, still more than 8 minutes. Town trade from the beach with Apple Vision. Oh yeah, well, that would be really something. Apple Vision goggles. Guys, as funny it is, I think it's partially the way of the future, how it's gonna be. I mean, it's really crazy, but that's where we're heading for. It's really crazy. We cannot imagine what kind of world it's gonna be. So, yeah. Oh, guys. Seems like we are still just hovering. Now at 2:59 to 55, we're going to go all in long. 10 minutes NQ. Get ready. Okay. 59.55 long. All right. You guys heard, you know, Nas the Dragon. He was the one who told this, so we can do that. Yeah. Or you guys can do. I'm already in, so not the ideal trade right now, especially at here London Open. After the kill zone started, look at that, it was 2 a.m. and then after 2 a.m. just a few minutes it spiked beautifully up there, so I was really hoping for that squeeze. And you know, the EMAs were still good. We swept some Asia low here, not too much, but anyway, got some equal highs on the 5-minute. Maybe, but you know, the London Open can trick everyone. I hope you're right, Joel. I hope you're right, but you know, the London Open can shake the ground a little bit. It can shake the ground, and that's why I'm a little bit concerned about this trade. But since I already agreed to the risk, I'm already agreed to the outcome. So oh, the Starship. The Starship is up there. No, the star. Where's the Starship? Oh, it's vanished. Oh yeah, I know what happened. It was annoying me, so I sent them to warp speed to somewhere else. But I still have the Starship on ES, I think. I think so. Where's the Starship? There you go. There's the Enterprise right there on ES. So we can put the Starship Enterprise here. There you go. All-time high. There's the Enterprise. Good morning, DX Wealth. Let's have a rewarding week. Oh, you couldn't have said it more better than that. You know, we're gonna have an awesome week anyways. So Captain Kirk and the crew is back up there. They're waiting for the prize. Still, we have a little bit more than 3 minutes. Who knows? Sold one. Nice. Nice. And Joel already made some profits. Oh, you got one sell. Okay. 367. So you're short from 367. Or you just put in a limit sell at 367. One of those, right? Target is intergalactic. Yeah. The target is making it to deep space. You know, that's the target. Oh, sell limit. Okay. 67.50 sell limit. All right. 67.50 sell limit, Joel. Okay. I hope you're right, because that means I might gonna head into a little bit of a profit there. By the way, by just doing nothing on the My Funded Futures competition, I'm already in the first 300. So by just doing nothing, by sitting on my hands, I'm already in the first 300 in the competition. 700, more than 700 people in the competition already in drawdown as soon as they get the account on Friday. So by just doing nothing, I'm already there. So yeah, we'll see. As I saw, like there was like 1,300. Actually, it was 1,300 people registered for the competition, or something like that. Actually, we can check it later on. And I think at least 50% of them were already down like 30% or something, or 40. So pretty high drawdown on Friday, on the first day they got the account. So that's a good advantage. On my funded futures, I'm going to show you. My funded futures has a competition, and I'm also entered the competition view. There you go. That's the competition, the March competition. We have 1,400 contestants, and as you can see, we have quite a lot. So I didn't do anything, and I'm already around here, somewhere on the 300 something place. But if you look at the last guys, they're down like 30-40%. So they're quite behind. Yeah. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, we have market open. All right. Oh no. Oh, it's gonna be crazy. Did you get the 67? Not yet. Well, I have no expectations. I'm just curious how it's gonna go. So I have no special expectation. I know that if someone is finishing up in the first 50%, that one is going to have a discount coupon or something like that. So that's good, I guess. I'm gonna have a discount coupon, at least, hopefully. They have cash prizes for the first three. Okay, so London opened. Anything can happen from here. Oh yeah, the Russell. I wanted to check the Russell. Nothing. Was looking good for a slight second. Now I don't know. Do we have any news? Swiss CPI. Oh yeah, let's check the Swiss CPI. What happened there? A little bit better than expected. No. Oh no, it's not that good. Changed the price of goods, so everything got more expensive. So that's not really good news. Everything is more expensive. Okay, so unfortunately we made a new high, and it can be a Judas swing. It can take me out easily, and I think it will. Took out this high. Almost got out that high. Well, crazy. How far is this? 54. So it shouldn't be that far. Like 15 points for Nasdaq. It shouldn't be a big deal, but I don't know. If this doesn't hit, I will throw my mouse at. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't hurt your mouse. It's just one trade. If we lose, we're gonna go through the next one. That's it. That's how it goes. I'm actually seriously thinking to close it. I thought that we're gonna have a sharp and steep reaction to push these highs, but I just don't know yet. A little bit confused. Actually, I moved my take profit to 69.75. So that's my final TP. 69.75. I don't know. You know how it is. You know how it is. If you haven't subscribed already, please do and push the like button. And if someone is new here, check out the discounts, guys. We have super awesome discounts. Every prop firm we have, Last day to check your Apex discount for 80%, guys. You should grab it. Very good upfront cost. So 80% discount. Use the link and the code. My Funded Futures is ending the no activation free discount at the starter accounts. Use the link and my code because that's the only way it works. But if you're brand new with TOPSTEP, you can have a 20% discount, which is a good deal if you're, for example, buying a 150k account or even a 50k account. So check him out. Someone wake up Biden for early morning biscuits and coffee. Taking partial at the recent high. Yeah, they're wicking everyone. I don't know what's gonna happen here, but hey, as I said, it is what it is. If they want to go for a dip, they can do that. We have some targets down below, so if it wants to go deeper, we have targets all over the place. Yeah, still looks bullish, but it's Monday, so Monday anything can happen. You're all in? That's the dragon. You shouldn't be all in all the time. $19. All right. That's good. I mean, that's good money. $19 is $19. Yes, I have take profit trader code. Let me check. If you give me a second. I know I have it. Oh. Hold on. I know I have it somewhere. Take Profit Trader definitely gave me a code. I thought that it's in the description because maybe not code. Maybe try Tom Sabo. I think should be working out, but I'm gonna check it. Okay. Hold on. I'm looking for the Take Profit Trader code. Referral codes. Just a second. Now I successfully logged into Take Profit Trader. This is an interesting price action this morning, right? I think I have a link for the best discount. Yeah, 40% discount link I have for you guys. You can also use the code TOMSABO, but let me push the link here for Take Profit Trader. Take Profit Trader code TOMSABO. Oh, look at that. You're in the short. Are you in the short? You're in the short, right? Oh my god, what is happening? I'm in profit, but I'm still not at TP right now. I'm not at the take profit level. Maybe soon, I don't know. Is it gonna push or not? I missed my TP with, I think, 1 tick or something like that. I don't know. Okay, guys. Hey. Yes. Beautiful, beautiful, taking my stop levels off. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, yeah. TP 1 and 2 hit. Yes, guys, we all deserve an applause. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone. Come on, this was a nice trade. 1 to 2 risk to reward. Well, almost 2, but it's technically 2. Went 72, 75 could be a good target. It was a great call, I must say. My entry model. No, actually it wasn't my entry model, but if you guys are curious about my exact entry model, go to pip.ninja, buy my course, buy it. It's only $49. I don't know, guys, you're spending a lot of money on evaluation accounts, but you should just spend $49 on my supersonic 50-minute mini course where I tell you exactly how I choose these trades, and you can have lifetime access to Discord, which means you can have access to me. All right, I have to stop, but I need to do something. I'm not making that much money as Methodical Man. He's a millionaire, and I'm just, you know, scratching the surface. All right, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be insulting Methodical Man with all the money he makes. That's gonna be my new thing. I love that. That's cool. I'm gonna do that in the future. I'm gonna be insulting him how much money he makes. All right, that was enough for celebration. We should not be having any feelings. What a call this was. I feel a little bit FOMO because we had a so my entry model was also indicating to enter here for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So we should be in a Russell trade too, but I am not, so I didn't call that. There you go. I knew it. I knew that he is here. Welcome. I knew you are here. I knew. No, I already congratulated him. He's making millions of dollars. No, he's not. He's actually making tens of thousands of dollars per week by his affiliation. So this trade was awesome. I really like that. So my competition account is up because I took it with a mini, with a full mini. So I am up like, I don't even know how much. I'm up like almost 3%. Yeah, which is great. What else do I have? Oh, look at that. Look at this move back down there. I think the TP was called right on time. I knew he's here. I knew. Is he streaming? I want to check. Is he streaming? He is streaming. Don't watch his stream. He's not doing anything. He's just drawing boxes. You know, I don't know what he always does this. I'm gonna show you what he does on his stream. He does this. Draws a box, and that's it. All right. I'm just being stupid right now, so don't worry. He's cool. I love him. He's a great guy. What is happening? What is happening this morning? Fair value gap right now. Let me see. Yeah, but Tom, he lives in the. You are planning your trip to Spain already. Yeah, true. Oh man, no shorting this. It is unpatriotic. Unpatriotic. All right. Why was your TP before? Very good question, JP. JP, I hope you're here. My TP, it's very simple. The answer is super simple. My entry, first of all, you have to understand my entry was here because we had a market structure shift with the fair value gap, and the exponential moving averages were separated, pointing higher. The RSI was pointing higher. This is not my go-to. It was just an extra confluence that I needed, but the reason why my entry was below that, there are two reasons. One reason is that if you're going for historical highs or lows or significant levels, you should be taking profit a few points ahead. That's one reason. That's like a basic thing for me, at least. The second and more important reason that I always try to go for a standard deviation of 2, or should I say a risk reward of 1 to 2. So I risk 1 for a reward of 2. And so as you can see, my stop loss was right here at 47. My TP was not even perfectly on the risk to reward 2. It was 1.94. So I just wanted to save a little bit on maybe some slippage or something like that. So originally my TP would have been at 70, but I pulled it one tick below that. Anyway, that was the reason. That was my reason. Back in long, 362, target 380, 83.97. Okay, that's interesting. Guys, check out TOPSTEP and Apex and My Funded Futures. I'm gonna be doing a video, by the way, about comparing these prop firms. These are the 3 prop firms at BULENOX as well. Sorry, so I have 4. These are the 4 prop firms I really like so far. I do have, I'm going to start with Take Profit Trader and Elite Trader Funding too, because these are the times. Yeah, you're welcome, JP, and welcome to the stream, JP. So I'm gonna be diversifying my portfolio. That's a fancy word to say, portfolio, right? So I'm gonna be diversifying my portfolio between multiple prop firms, and these the ones I like. I wouldn't say which one is my favorite one, but I think the top three is Apex, definitely, My Funded Futures, definitely, and TOPSTEP. I love them, despite the fact that I had some issues in December with them. Sorry, in January. Anyway, and BULENOX is still, I think it's very, the support is great. I did not have a payout from BULENOX yet, but I think they're cool, and I'm looking forward to trade with Take Profit Trader and Elite Trader Funding. So those two are the next ones which I'm going to put into the copy trading and building up evaluation accounts. And yeah. So I'm gonna check out Methodical Man's stream. Oh yeah, he's here. Okay, let me mute the volume so you guys don't hear him talking. Okay, I'm not going to disturb him. He's very serious on the stream right now. I'm new. Yeah, so about the London session, it's very important to say that you know, London sessions are definitely slower. I mean, in London session, if you can make 10 or 15 points on Nasdaq, is definitely good. So I think it's good. Whichever month you're trading in, you know, in the whole year, the London session, if you go for 15, even 20 points, that is considered good in my opinion. While in New York, 20 points after the market open or in the 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. session, like 20 points is a, like in a blink of an eye. It's not a big thing, but in London it's good. And a little bit unfortunate situation. I would love that all the prop firms, not just Apex, but all the prop firms to be able to provide DAX futures or EuroX, if I may say, the EuroX data, because it would be awesome. Apex can get you that if you subscribe to the EuroX, which is $23 per month, and you can trade the DAX at Apex, by the way. So that's an advantage. If some of you guys are from the Europe region or from this time zone, you can trade the German index, but you have to subscribe for additional $23 for the data, and then you can trade it, but only on TradeAwait. You have to choose your platform as TradeAwait. That's the only way if you want to trade DAX on a prop firm, which is Apex. So that's why Apex has more and more stuff. The customer service is great. One of the oldest prop firms, regulated prop firms in the space. I love them. So get their link, guys, because today is the last day for the 80%. Maybe they're gonna do another sale. But you know, they did the 90% sale in February, so that was quite good as well. Ready or not, here Tom comes. He's gonna find and make you money. Well, thank you. Wyox, hey there, welcome. Welcome, Wyox. and make you money. Ready or not, here Tom comes. It's gonna find you and make you money. I'm gonna go to some talent show, maybe to sing or something. I don't know. Ready or not, here I come. Okay, no. Okay. Ready or not, here Tom comes. It's a little bit cheesy. Look at that. If I would have taken the Russell trade, the FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. The Russell, look at that beautiful Russell trade. Could have made some extra profit today, but I was a chicken. Actually, I don't mind this because it would have been too much risk before the London Open for me. So, yeah. yeah, definitely. Trading's got talent. I'm gonna go to the Hungarian talent shows, right? We have quite a few of those. Everybody's making a career in talent shows nowadays. I'm gonna be a celebrity or something. I don't know. I'm gonna be singing. So the Starship Enterprise is still up there. Ethics and Traffic, good morning. Good to see you there. Hey, how you going? How you doing? Why did I say how you going? I can't speak this morning, guys. Captain Kirk. Yeah. Captain Kirk and the crew is up there indicating to us that it's deep space over there above 372. But, you know, let's look at the big picture for a quick second. And let's delete the Starship for a brief moment here. If we look at the 1 hour, if we should do a spike above the historical high, that would cause a divergence on many oscillators. I'm not just talking about the RSI, but stochastic and everything, you know, Bollinger Bands, whatever. If we would just do a spike up there, that would be a good indication to search for some shorts, because on the 1 hour everything is pretty much separated overbought. We have so many good targets down there, especially if we look at the 4 hour fair value gaps. This zone is just screaming to be repriced on the 4 hour. If we're looking at the daily, still lots of things happening, guys. The market needs some kind of a correction. I just don't know which day is it going to happen. So I don't know. Kind of interesting. As for the Russell, I think it's gonna make new highs as well. We have a lot of buy side still resting above there. A little bit of FOMO of not taking this trade, but again I said, I did not want to take more risk than necessary on these accounts. Bitcoin 65. What the hell is going on with Bitcoin? So I think today we're gonna go to 70k, right? We're going to 70k. Should be. It's 69, so 70k is definitely almost in the books. The only thing I was reading about this hyper pump is that some big hedge funds are started to buy into Bitcoin because they want to give crypto. They want to provide crypto in their portfolio to their clients. I don't know. I wasn't following. There's something like that. I'm not interested in Bitcoin. The only thing, I mean, it's really interesting. Like the altcoins are not really following. So yes, they're following, but you know, the hyper pump is not that big on the altcoins. I have some altcoins that I was just following just for, you know, Darrow, yeah, they're pumping Darrow as well, kind of like Monero, but I don't know. I don't know. I'm not gonna put money into crypto. I feel much more comfortable with day trading for myself and not letting others pump and dump some coins. I had enough of those. I lost a lot of money on those. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. Maybe with this kind of speed, you know, by the time New York opens, it can hit 70k in about a second. It can definitely do that. Interesting. Yeah, I saw that. I mean, I saw a lot of altcoins pumping. By the way, you're an expert, Crypto Panda. Your name has crypto in it, so I should not be speaking against the crypto market, because Crypto Panda's rage is gonna come against me. By the way, this is the German DAX. I don't have subscription for the DAX futures, so this data is delayed with how much? With 15 minutes. But well, as far as I can see on the 1 minute, they're still pretty much gapped out on the German index. But market opened here. So I'm studying it. I don't have it. Until I'm not trading it, I'm not subscribing to the German index. So this data is pretty much delayed. But I'm watching it. I own 2 Bitcoins. Wow. I will be rich by the year. That's awesome, man. Dude. Congratulations. 2 Bitcoins. You could be buying a house or something by that by now. Nasdaq Dragon, go for that. With 2 Bitcoins, you can do that. I mean, depends on what kind of house you're looking for, just of course. But that's good. Well, in some countries, I would say. That is awesome, man. You know, with this kind of speed, you know, Bitcoin it can also hit the 100k easily. Easy, super easy. Super easy, guys. Joel added more to the position. 366.50. Did you add here? Or you're going to add here, if I understand. You're going to add 66.50. Okay. So it could be a short squeeze. We definitely would have to go above 372 in that scenario. Yep. Okay. So 66.50 you're adding. All right. Okay. Russell is trying to make a move. On Friday's high around 82. Oh, what a beautiful. This was a textbook trade, by the way. Depending, I mean, for my entry model, this was actually, well, almost a textbook trade, but it was a textbook trade. Beautiful entry there. Didn't take it. Didn't take it because I wanted to diversify risk. Look at that. It's still going. Still going, guys. I'm going to buy a house by a lake just like you top guy. So I can take a nice walk. All right. Like Joe. Okay. All right. All right, there's the dragon. Well, yeah. I live next to Top Gun. We have the Gripen fighter jets. I'm not sure if you guys know the Gripens or Gripen. Gripen fighter. Gripen fighter jet. Part of the Hungarian Air Force. Is this a Hungarian? Let me. No, that's the Czech Air Force. Which one is the Hungarian? Oh, that's the Hungarian. Okay. So these guys are flying above my house. These Gripens are flying all over here, and starting to annoy me. You know, these guys are in the military air base. A lot of them, a lot of Gripens are. These are made by the Swedish, I think. The Gripen. Their wings are like moving or something. I don't know. Yeah. These are flying above me. Yeah. So I live next to Fighter Town, Top Gun, and they're always like circling around the area. It's sometimes annoying because sometimes you cannot get a sleep. Sometimes when there's some problem in the airspace, I'm guessing some plane comes into the airspace without checking in, or I don't know, putting themselves on the radar. I don't know. It's like 2 a.m. in the at the morning, in the night, middle of the night, 2 a.m. and we hear these Gripens like flying over. Like, what the hell? And that's because somebody just violated the airspace or something. I don't know. China gets ready to unveil GDP for tomorrow. All right. So when are they doing that? When is China going to unveil that? When is the China GDP coming out? Any news? Any info? Oh, hold on. China NPC spokesman, blah, blah, Chinese business. Yeah, okay. China NPC. Okay. Imagine if China lift the ban on crypto. Wow. Oh my god, really, Crypto Panda. 420 up, Nasdaq. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. That's awesome, Joel. Crypto Panda. That would be... Oh my god, if China would lift the ban on crypto, I think, you know, Bitcoin would just pump to, if they would do it right now in this moment, I think Bitcoin would pump into 100K in like 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Hedge funds or big institutions or whatever, they would just be pushing the buy button like crazy, stacking up some Bitcoin. That would be crazy. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I can actually, I can absolutely imagine that happening. You know, China can F with everyone around, even just by saying it, so they don't even have to do it. Some high level Chinese minister or whoever financial guy from China would just, ignite the spark like, hey guys, we are considering to lift the ban. Like, if some higher level politician or leader from China, it doesn't have to be the big boss. It can be some high level leader from China, finance leader, that we're thinking to lift the ban. For that, for only that sentence, I think Bitcoin would just boom, just go like crazy. Just one sentence, and they could do that. And then the other day, better not, we were thinking about it, but, it was a good thought, but, we changed our minds. And then goes down, They have banned crypto about 5 times, but that is why they can do it quite the opposite way. Today they say, well, you know what, we might be thinking to I think we will do it. They say it today, and tomorrow morning, better not, and that's it. And that's how it's gonna, like, they can be doing this with the crypto market in just a matter of few hours, and they would be making a ton of money. I mean, they definitely don't really need to make money on crypto because they have a whole different market to make trillions, not even billions, trillions of dollars. So they don't really care about crypto at this point. But if the crypto market, I think, would go into that level for the super trillions of amounts of daily how they say it, I can't find the word. I have to use the Google Translate, guys. Daily transactions, amount of daily transactions, is that a word I'm looking for? So if they would be doing like trillions of dollars in daily transactions in the world, which they're doing which is not happening in crypto today, but maybe it will, then maybe they would can be concerned about that. But I think China is doing way more money with the Russians and with everybody else in that region without the crypto, so they don't really care about it that much. Serdar, don't worry about that. The good news is that we have a guy here on the channel. Is called Nas the Dragon. He has 2 coins. He has 2 bitcoins, and he promised that he's gonna buy everyone whatever he wants. So, I mean, he's gonna buy house for everyone. He's gonna buy cars. Because Bitcoin is gonna be at 1 million anyway, and Nas the Dragon has 2 coins already, which means, he's buying. We just have to be real nice to the guy. You have to speak to him nicely. You have to treat him as a friend. Never say the opposite what he says. Have to agree with everything he says on the chat. You have to be friends with the guy, and maybe he will give some portion of that Bitcoin to us. That's a strategy. I would like to give you some entries, but I don't have anything. Look at this price action. I mean, we're technically stopped here. All right. Anyway, after that, I said first round. All right. All right, all right. That's true. He actually said 1 round of drinks. Okay, I need a Johnny Walker Blue Label, please. 1 bottle. All right. I got this for a deal back in March 2023. Good deal, man. You made a good deal. That's awesome. Guys, I told you, be nice with the guy. You know, congratulate him. Let him know that he's welcome and respected. That what a great deal he made. Keep friends with him, you know. Maybe he will give some more than drinks. Who knows? Maybe a car or whatever, you know. Even if we don't get a house, maybe he will buy something for us more than a drink. Just be nice with him. What do we have? We're pretty much, you know, we're pretty much not doing anything at this point here. Nasdaq still stopping here. Is it gonna take the historical high again or not? I'm wondering. You didn't get rich of what? GME and AMC. What? AMC movement, Tom? What? I'm sorry, I'm too slow this morning. GME and AMC. AMC. What do you mean by that? I'm sorry. Morning call. You mean that? I didn't get rich. Look at the chop. Yeah, this is crazy, guys. This price action right now is, we're stuck. Yeah, we're stuck. Definitely we're stuck here. And just look at this. I mean, I'm not using trend lines, but look at this. We're narrowing down like pretty crazy. This is typically the, like, when you should not be doing anything. If you're flat, you should be staying flat here. If you're in the trade, then of course you're in the trade, but if you're just opening up your charts, this is the place when you should not be entering. I sold 8 bitcoins for, oh my god, Crypto Panda, come on. 8 bitcoins for 1k. I was so happy. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys a very short story. Back in 2012, Tom, all you have to do is find the next hot and trending penny stock IPO. Okay, actually I heard that from many places. Some guys told me that I should be diving into penny stocks. Actually, just that. They told me that I have a better chance to win on some penny stocks than hitting the lottery. even if that company, if I choose on penny stock, is going to fail, because some of them can have pretty good yields. I buy a penny stock company for $1 per share, and they can shoot up for $2 or $3 in a matter of a few days if they have some good news. I actually know a guy who lives in Germany who has made a fortune. I know him in person. He made a fortune on penny stocks about 10 years ago. And since then, he's not trading penny stocks that much because he made so much money. He bought a company on the money that he made on penny stocks. So now he's anyway. He bought a company, which is a HVAC company. You know, he's doing climatization for households and offices. Anyway, he made a fortune on penny stocks. Reddit IPO is coming. All right. So back in 2012 and 2013, I think it was in 2012, I had more money. Absolutely. I had much more money, much more. I was working at a very good place. I was having some very good incomes. That's a long story. And there was the first time when some guys told me to buy Bitcoin. And I know I was considering it, but it was already above $200 or $300 or something like that. Maybe $400. I don't know. And I said, that's crazy. That's like 200 or 300. Who the hell wants to buy it? It's already on historical high. And I know I had the money. So I know I could have easily bought quite a few Bitcoins. And the guy exactly said the same. I remember, hey, you worst case scenario, you put a few coins away on a cold wallet and just put it to the shelf. I know that's what he said. And I said, yeah, who cares? I don't want to buy Bitcoin for a few $100s. Yeah. And he was also talking about, anyway, some other coins. And because it was difficult back then, it was, I couldn't just, register on Binance and then buy Bitcoin. 12 years ago, I have to register on some South Korean exchange, or I don't even know, some unregulated exchange through some. I had to go through like 2 or 3 levels until I could buy Bitcoin, and I said, I don't want to go through all this crap. And since then history has happened. So if I would just have like a few Bitcoins in the shelf, oh my god, that would be crazy. Who would have known, right? But most likely, if I would have bought like a few Bitcoins back then, I would have sold it as soon as it doubled or made 50% or 60%. Be honest with yourself, guys. Back then, 12 years ago, if you would have bought Bitcoin for example, $500, would you have waited for it to reach 60K or 70K? No, you would have not. You would have sold it if it would have, for example, gone to double or even sooner. If you bought 500 Bitcoin, you would have sold it for 700 or 800 during the pump. There's only a very few people on the road who could have just say like, okay, F this, I don't need that, I'm just gonna put it to the shelf and who cares. Very few people. So most likely I would have sold it already back then. Anyway, why am I talking about this? Okay, Russell made a new high. A little bit of FOMO, definitely. What is ES doing? Let's check ES. Nothing. If I look the 5-minute ES, absolutely nothing. Nothing, guys. Absolutely nothing. Absolutely nothing. Hello, Teacher FX. Nice to see you here. And by the way, applause. And for everyone who's here. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And check out my links. I have the best discounts. Well, not just me, but I also have one of the best discounts over the place. Today is the last day for Apex. Don't forget it. Stack up an account or two with Apex for 80%. Pretty good upfront cost. Also, my funded futures, guys. I have to do a separate video about my funded futures because, you know, people tend to forget how good of a deal they have also on their expert accounts with no activation fee, even with the promotion and everything. If you're brand new at my funded futures, use my code. You're going to have a 24% discount anyways. So, and no activation fee on the expert accounts. And the starter account, today is the last day you don't have activation fee on the starter account. So the best and cheapest true cost to funding. Nobody really talks about my funded futures enough, but they do have this. But if you like TOPSTEP, you can also get a 20% discount if you click through my link and register as a new customer. Your first account is going to be 20% discount price. Especially good if you're aiming for 150k account. You can also join the Discord for 10 bucks a month. Okay. All right, we're just waiting. We're just waiting. Not much to do right now. How's my progress on Apex? Pretty good. I can tell it's pretty good. Here are some account details from the Apex accounts. Let me show you. I don't want to show. Well, actually, I can. So this is one account. Right now I'm up 1,164, and the new account which I started is up to $282. So, but I'm only trading micros, and I know it's a little bit small. The BULENOX account is almost at 52k. Only micros, guys. Just trading micros. Last week was pretty much a slow week, a very, very, very slow week. I had the biggest losing day as well last week. The My Funded Futures account is over 1k right now. The competition account is up today almost $300. And I have a TOPSTEP account which I just started, 150k combine, and I have a TOPSTEP funded account which has $1,000 on it. It's an express. I took out $300 something on the TOPSTEP. This is one group. I have another group which is private. I don't really want to show stuff about that, but this is the one. These are the ones which I'm sharing here on YouTube. So my Apex account, the one that I'm trading since mid-February, is up. Not mid-February, a little bit earlier, is up 1,164. So today I was just trading micros. So doing okay. Doing okay. Last week was, I don't know, it was interesting. if you take all your profit from Apex account, will it get breached? No. I mean, if you take all your profits and not leaving the threshold on your account, they will, well, you can say breach, but they will close the account. You have to acknowledge, you have to put the check mark in that if you take out all your safety threshold, then the funded account is going to be closed. So that's it. That's it, basically. So that's how it goes. Same goes for BULENOX. They have a threshold of $2,600. So BULENOX, I know many of you guys don't like BULENOX. I think they are good. Hey Camille, how you doing? But BULENOX has a minimum threshold of $2,600 on a 50K account. And the minimum payout is $1,000, which means you have to make $3,600 to be able to get paid at least $1,000. But you can take out all your safety threshold as well, but the same goes there, like the funded account is going to be closed. So there's a decision to make if you reach that level. Do you want to close your funded account that you were fighting for, you were trading for? Depends on how long. Did you YOLO it? So it depends on the personality of what kind of trader you are. Did you YOLO it? Did you took too many time to push it to that level? So yeah. Of course I can, Greg, but only if you use my code. Okay, that was a joke. No, really, I can. I think the top ones are definitely Apex. Today is the last day, by the way. You're using the code or not, I don't care. It's up to you. It's just the bonus for the stream or the link. But today is the last day to have the cheapest up cost fee for Apex. So yeah, don't worry. Hey, I don't take it personally. Don't worry about that. Today is the last day Apex Trader is off 80%. You can use my link and the code. So that's a very good one. If you're confident in your trading, you can be a brand new customer at My Funded Futures. And if you use my link and code, so you have to register through my link and use the code, then the starter account has no activation fee. But the My Funded Future 50K account, if you use the code FAB10, you can get it for $90, but there's no activation fee. At Apex, you can get a 50K account for $33 or something like that. 33, I think. But there's an activation fee if you're getting funded, which is, I think, is how much is it right now? 140, 130 one time, or a monthly $85. So the true cost of funding is the cheapest at My Funded Futures, but only last day today as well. So My Funded Future is doing the last day promotion for that as well. Or if you're a brand new customer, a brand new registration through my link at TOPSTEP, you're going to have a 20% discount at TOPSTEP. But you have to register through my link. And I mean, you don't have to, but you can register through my link and you will get a 20% only one-time discount for your first purchase. So which one is the best? I think the best is Apex and My Funded Futures. And I love TOPSTEP too. They are also great. They are also great. The only problem with TOPSTEP for me is that you cannot trade more than 5 micros on a 50K account. And if you're getting funded with a 50K account, 2 micros is the highest you can trade. And that is a problem, I think, because if you want to have a proper risk management, then you should be able to trade more than 5 micros. And that restriction is something that TOPSTEP has to work on. Otherwise, I can advise BULENOX as well. They still have a sale going on. You can get a cheap account, upfront cost, but they also have an activation fee. So again, Apex, My Funded Futures are the top ones for me right now. And right after them, I love TOPSTEP. My funded futures 100K account. I'm gonna show you a flyer here. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Active promotions. What is happening? There was an active promo flyer, which I think it's non-existent anymore. Maybe I can check them. Just give me a second. My funded futures. My funded futures. They had an active promotion. There you go. Give me a second. So right now, if you register for the starter account, which has some restrictions, the starter account, there's a 40% consistency rule. That's the main thing you have to be aware of. So it means that on the funded stage, you cannot make more than 40% on one day than the rest of the days of your profits. But 100K account, you can get it for $170, but it includes the activation fee. So this is quite cheap compared to others if you register through my link. But the expert accounts, my funded futures, the expert accounts is actually expert accounts. There you have it. Expert account, there's a 265, and using my code, if you're a brand new customer, maybe you can have, you have to register and see for yourself, and you have to type in my code. Use my link as a new registration, and maybe you will get the 24% off this. The expert account is only better because it has no scaling rule. Basically, no scaling rule and no consistency rule. The starter account is just as good. It's only $200 per month plus the discount. I mean, minus the discount. But it has an activation fee of $149. And this is why I'm saying that today is a very good deal to get your discount. No activation fee promo. Last day today. You have to use the Feb 15. On my funded futures. Oh, look at that. We made a new high. Made a new high. Darn hit targets. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. It's going for the enterprise. Wow, look at that. Okay, so made new all-time highs. History has been made, guys. We're just making history. You're on. Oh, nice. All right. Well, if you're in a buy, if I were you, I would consider to take some partials or maybe move my stop and secure some profit. You know, we can have a retracement or sorry, a pullback anytime. All right, Joel. Congratulations, and let's have an applause for Joel. Nice profits there. Nice profits there, Joel. Awesome. So there you go. So that's why I said you should consider to move your stop, secure some profits, because it can just pull back any second. Thank you. Whoever is pushing the love button or the like, thank you. I just saw some hearts going off. Thank you. You're welcome, Joel. You're welcome. You're welcome. Enjoy your day. So yeah, this was quite a nice move. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm short, so I'll eat your buy. FX entropy. Okay. You're absorbing, you know. That's what they say. You're absorbing. All right, let's take it easy. Keep it green. Thanks, Tom, as always. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. No problem there. Thank you, Zoltan. Thank you. Thank you. Have a great one. 374 short. Oh, wow. Nice. And the dread. Come on, man. Okay. Okay. Donations from me. I did jump in and scalp that move back through the high after just taking a loss. What the? But so you jumped into long, and when it made the historical high, you should have just, you know, moved to break even or took some profit. I don't know. I'm gonna watch your stream later what you did there. Did you not secure something here? Or because what the hell? What the hell, Methodical Man? You're better than that. No, he's actually better. He's a good trader. You guys should check his stream. Well, this was a crazy move here. This was a crazy move up there. So, Methodical Man is going to sleep or what? You wasn't long early enough. Yeah, you did it off stream. Okay, okay. Because I saw you. I saw you on stream. Like, you guys were talking about these levels, and then I clicked away, and then this happened. So I guess you wanted to go in. It can go higher, but I feel like we need a pullback. So, Methodical Man, I can tell you that I made February more than $300 in affiliate commissions with Apex and TOPSTEP, which I don't have yet, but hopefully they will pay it out. But dude, congratulations on your achievement. That's a really good profits there on affiliations. I mean, that's great. That's great. But I'm looking to build my channel as well. I mean, thank you so much again for the Fridays subscriptions and everything. You did so much for my stream. Absolutely better than zero, and absolutely, I'm so grateful for it. It's very good for power builds, you know, stuff like that. So I'm extremely grateful for everything, for the universe, for you personally, for every people who used my affiliate coupons last month. This money is going to be very handy to pay some bills. So thank you so much. You know, over $300 for me for a month is very good for power bills and stuff like that. So this is awesome. It's super awesome, and I'm very glad. And for you, Methodical Man, helping me out last week. I was just, you know, telling my fiance that, hey, this guy helped me to push the channel, and he's awesome, and you know. And she told me that, okay, then you should be nice to this person. And I said, all right, don't worry, honey, I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna be nice to Methodical Man. I'm never going to bother him or insult him or anything. So she said, did you thank him? Did you thank him for helping you out? And I said, no, I didn't. And maybe I never will. Look at that. What the hell is happening? What is this pullback? What is this? Nice. Come on. Come on, man. Huge applause. Yeah, exactly. Honestly, that's what she said. She said, did you thank him? Did you thank him? Don't say that, Tom. Your finest could let you for okay, all right, never. Okay, all right. Taking liquidity, yeah, but you know, nobody helped me as much as you did. Not Not even back in the days when I was just gaming on Twitch or anything. Anyway, I am really grateful. Without your help, I would be definitely still be somewhere in the maybe 500 subscribers or whatever, and I didn't really know if I can make a few extra bucks with the affiliate coupons and everything, and you were the one who actually lit up my eyes that I can make an extra buck, and that really helps me out. And this month is gonna be great, so I'm really, really, really grateful for that. By the way, I still have some glitch with my funded futures affiliations, and because I know someone, it's another guy in person here from my country. I was talking to him on the phone as well, and we wanted to try out something. He registered as a brand new customer through my link and used my code, and I got the email from YouTube to congratulate me and everything, but I still need like 50 hours for the 4,000 hours to be monetized. But I already got the email, so I got the email from YouTube to welcome in the partner program, but I still need like 50 hours. I have like 3,946 or 50-ish hours, so no monetization yet. But so anyway, what I was meant to say is that I have a guy here and he used my link to register at my funded futures. He used my code to buy an account. He bought an account, and it never appeared in my affiliate stats, never, because he was calling me to let me know that, okay, I'm clicking it now, I'm doing it now, and we were in contact, and it's never appeared. And it's interesting. I don't know how these cookies are working. He especially used a I know, sooner or later I will get there. So he used the incognito browser window with a brand new laptop, and I still didn't get the registration through him. I mean, whatever, I guess. And it's not the first time, so I don't know what is your experience, but we'll talk maybe later or some other day on Discord about that. But on my funded futures, it's not the first time the registration didn't come through. I don't know. I love them. I like to trade with my funded futures. I think they have a good platform and everything, but I don't know. Affiliate link doesn't really seem to work for me. What the heck is going here? It's gonna go down further? Who knows? Oh, don't worry about that, Methodical Man. It's fine. But it was interesting. It is better to use code than instead. He was using the link and the code, so he was both using the link and the code, and that's why it was interesting. And he was using it from a new laptop with an incognito window with no cookies on the browser, brand new account, and still nothing. I don't know, but who knows? Who knows? Maybe it's just a glitch. And there was another thing that was really interesting. That was also from Hungary. I registered the guy who I know personally. That guy was losing a lot recently, tens of thousands of dollars on challenge accounts. And well, who knows? But I had a guy who registered through my link. I helped him actually where to click, how to do it. I mean, on the phone. Actually, we opened TeamViewer, and I helped him how to do the registration. And he used my code. He bought a new account, and I didn't get the commission. So, which is fine. All right, I said, well, it's another glitch in the system. And after that, he bought like 2 or 3 accounts because he blown them. And I didn't get any commission, and he was always using my code. And I wrote to my funded futures, and they were very kind and everything. And the guy told me that the coupon code, he used my coupon code, but the commission went to Patrick Wieland. I actually saved the chat. I have it saved. The guy told me that although he used my coupon code, the commission went to Patrick Wieland. So that's crazy. That's crazy. I said, how the heck did that happen? He was typing my coupon code. He was using my registration link. I helped him how to register. And the commission went to Patrick Wieland. John Carter, who's a scammer? No. No, I think it was a glitch in the system. I don't know what's happening over there. So I said, no, it's impossible. It was, yeah, he acknowledged that, yes, he was using my coupon code, but it still went to Patrick. So at least I'm doing some service to Patrick Wieland. Yeah, there you go. There you go. So I did a favor to him. I registered someone to Patrick Wieland, and they said it is what it is. Yeah, Patrick Wieland's can. You know, Patrick Wieland is cool. I think has a unique personality in trading. He's trading differently, but yeah. I said, what the hell? How did that happen? How did that happen? Using my referral link and my code, and it went to Patrick Wieland. That was interesting. I have the chat saved, so that was interesting. Anyway, that's some background information. Otherwise, please use my link and code if you want to register. And my Funded Futures is a great company. I really like them. They're great. I like them. Really, the customer service was good. I like the dashboard. I like how things are put together. Overall, I think I have a good feeling. There was this glitch, and since then I made this other attempt, and I don't know. And that's why I don't know if my affiliate code is even working or not. Or my link. Look at this. It seems like it might want to break lower. No. I'm not gonna do that. God forbid. God forbid. I don't want to be in beef. Not with Patrick Wieland, not with anyone online. I hate when that happens. I mean, not with me. I don't like to see when others are in beef with some stupid shit, because this would be a stupid thing to be in beef with someone. With over some, I mean, of course money is money, I know, but I would never put on a video about this. But you know, I could, you know, I have proof about customers from customer service. So one night I tilt and blown 5 accounts under your code. Oh, what the hell? I only have 1 now. Oh my god. So what kind of accounts? Apex accounts or My Funded Futures accounts? What prop firms were you having, Viox? And by the way, thank you very much. If anyone is here who were using my codes in February, I'm deeply thanking you guys, because I made somewhat over $300 from Apex and TOPSTEP and together, and this is really helping me out. So Apex, okay. So if it was a discounted account, I would suggest, not just to you, but yeah, but to anyone, that if you want to keep the discount price, then, and the account is blown, then you should keep the account for the next month if you have money to be rebuilt, because you're gonna have the same discount price, which is a good deal. That's how I used to do it, and I always have some good discount prices for the accounts. I don't have to wait for sales and everything. I know that I'm gonna have a rebuild with a reset with a discount price. Stir the pot, Tom. I will post it for you. This is methodical. All right. All right. All right. He owes Nutty will and never pay. I don't care about that Nutty business he has with Nutty Bar. I don't have any problem with Patrick Whelan. He's a personality. He's doing a show. He's entertaining. I understand that, and that's it. Yeah, well, all publicity is good. That's very true. I was learning some marketing back in the days, online marketing too. I was doing some courses, and exactly that's what they said. All publicity is good publicity. If the haters are talking about you, that's free marketing, even if they hate you and they talk about you. So the more haters you have, that's more free marketing, actually. That's what they say in online. That's more and more free marketing, because hate is spreading sometime much more. He stole your commission. Yeah, he did. Oh no, I don't. Of course, I know. I know, John. I know, John Carter. But, you know, in online, you know, the more haters someone has, the more free marketing. That's how it goes. Which actually drives good traffic and people towards your social media. So we made a historical high. Price is now coming back down here. Just wondering why they spend so much time on YouTube if they really win that. They say, well, it's all about the money, and I'm never even going to deny it. Guys, I'm gonna be real honest. I love to be here and talk with you guys. I really do, and I like trading. I know, for example, 1000% sure that I am not going to have a trade in the next 30 to 60 minutes, because I have no entry. My entry model is not playing out in these conditions. I know what is my entry model. I have no entry. But I like to be here. I like to figure out the charts. I like to talk with you guys. And another fact, that if you guys like being here with me and talk here about trading and stuff, then obviously I'm going to get more watch hours on YouTube, which makes a few extra cents for ad revenue, which is also a good thing, you know, and that helps to grow the channel. So it's partially a little bit of business for me as well to be here on YouTube, talk about information and value, and talk about the charts, share some experience, and give value to you guys, instead of, I mean, besides also joking here a lot, because it's, you know, it's also a business on its own way. So he also was talking about it. Patrick Whelan makes a ton of money from YouTube. A lot of money he makes on YouTube. Test. I like the name Test. Hey there, how you doing there? Hi. I have visitors. YouTube is a business. Absolutely, it's a business. You have to dedicate yourself, your time. A lot of things have to be sacrificed and dedicated towards if you want to make some money on YouTube, and that's what I'm trying to do here. So it's, for me, trading and YouTube is almost like feels the same business. I'm trying to pick the best trades. I'm trying to execute my edge. I'm trying to build up my evaluation accounts, my funded accounts more, and I'm also trying to pick on some revenue from my YouTube. I'm strictly doing everything as a business, not just as a video game or a hobby or something. For me, it is business, because that's my job here. I have a small side income, but you know, this is my main business. That's why I'm full-time here. And I'm not even denying it, and I won't. If anybody asks me, I'm definitely going to say the same. It's for me, it's my business. This is my job. I'm showing up every week, every day. We are sharing together with you guys some ideas, entry setups, journaling my journey, entry model, trade ideas, everything. And I really hope that I can help with some value to you guys. There's the sell-off. Yeah, should have held short. Yeah, it looks like a sell-off. It can take out the 42 level. Asia low might be in the crosshairs, but you know, there was a possible short entry right there if you guys wanted to make sure to take out this level, and now it's taking it out, which was 51. Well, it was 8 points, not too much, but 8 points is 8 points in London, so that counts. You trade trend following system. Right, there was a short trade, 350. Yes, but it wasn't a perfect entry at 350 for me, and that's why I didn't take it. Trend following system, yes, but I need a significant pullback or retracement. In this case, I want to see price retracing back there and then take another dip. I want to see also the RSI taking going into the overbought area, and I want to see the exponential moving averages shifting down like this. Sorry, it's not the way I wanted to. Not this, like going like this and this. So I wanted to see this kind of formation. This is too early for me to take a short. It's good for small resistance liquidity run if someone is trading ICT. I mean, I'm trading ICT, of course. I do utilize the YouTube 2022 entry, but and this is the sell side here. Oh, you guys can see it. This is the sell side liquidity right here. So if somebody is was looking for sell side liquidity run, then you can enter with at least a 1-to-1 trade. But this is not my entry. Yes, I could have taken this, but this is not my trend following entry. So if I go short later on, I would like to see this kind of formation playing out, because I know it's a lagging indicator, but at least I will know that if everything is lining up and if I have another fair value gap somewhere along the way to go short, then that's the one I'm gonna be getting, because that's gonna be reassuring me that okay, the downtrend is more likely continue. It likely is going to continue. So then I'm going to target some other levels down there as sell side. And I want to see at least a 1-to-2 risk to reward target. That's also very important. The risk to reward. 1-to-1 is still good if that's your system. But for me, I need to see a 1-to-2 risk to reward at least, because that's how my edge should be playing out better. Lafta, hey there. I broke down pullback to this red line. What? It broke down. Sorry, it broke down pullback. Yeah. Yeah, it did. The thing is, what else we had? There could have been one more entry up here, but because it took out some significant levels, that's why I didn't enter. Now this trade was a very good trend following system. EMAs were expanding. We had the classic entry model right here, and we had a very strong target up there. So that's why, fortunately, it turned out good. But it was a higher probability trade. It could have just ended up in the red, of course, but the probabilities were higher that this should be going up. But for this one, I just didn't see that same probability scenario. So, yeah. Let me know what you guys are up to, or are you guys looking for any specific trade? And by the way, this was a beautiful entry as well, which I didn't take because I didn't want it to go full risk before the London Open. The Russell gave almost the same entry. This one we didn't take, but it was also 1 to 2 risk to reward. I felt a little bit FOMO here, but I'm happy with the result anyway on a Monday. What kind of Lamborghini? Honestly, I wouldn't be having a Lamborghini. If I would have money for a supercar, Lamborghini would absolutely not be my kind of Lambo. And actually, today's Lamborghinis are all the same. So they're all the same. What do you think about OMX30? That's the Stockholm exchange, right? I never traded it. To be honest, Test. I never traded the Stockholm index. Never ever in my life before. I was trading the DAX for a while, but now on the prop firms I'm not able to do it. Hopefully they will find something out. 33 points on Nasdaq floating. Wow. Yeah, my funded futures doesn't have the trading. It has end of day trading, by the way. My funded futures, end of day trading. That's true. Yeah. No end of. If you're trading small size like I do, I don't care about the intraday trading because I risk less than 0.5%. I usually risk about 0.2% per trade, so I don't really care about intraday trading stuff. But yes, end of day trading, my funded futures has it. So Ferrari. Now I like Ferraris maybe a little bit better than Lamborghini. I mean, I like Lamborghinis. I like Ferraris, Lamborghini, but the newest Lamborghinis for me are all the same. Everything is the same. Actually, I was watching some YouTubers. Car YouTubers, and they were always all saying the same, like, yeah, the Lambos are nice, but if you sit inside the new ones, the new models, all of them are exactly the same inside. Nothing special. Everything is Audi. Everything is the same. Nothing special. They look cool. I know they look fantastic. Although everyone is saying that Ferraris are more unreliable nowadays than Lamborghinis, but I don't know. Goon Squad? Goon Squad. No, oh, he's a YouTuber. I'm not looking. I'm not watching Goon Squad. I'm mostly watching, you know, the usual Hoovy's Garage, Travarish, Ed Bolian, you know, and some others here and there, but Matt Armstrong. For example, what Matt Armstrong did with his Murcielago, yeah, the rebuilt cars. What Matt Armstrong did with his Murcielago, I think it's fantastic. It's great. But for example, I would really love to sit in a Murcielago than, example, in a Hurricane or whatever. I don't know how to put this, because I love the Murcielagos. Yeah. I saw them. My all-time favorite Lamborghini, of course, everybody loves the Countach. When I saw that they were making the new Countach, I mean, if I would be a super rich person, maybe I would buy the new Countach, but just to have it. Not because I want to drive it daily or something, but right now, if I could buy a car, because I would be making so much money from day trading, I would buy BMW. I'm a BMW guy. I'm sorry, I like Mercedes too, but I would buy a BMW M8, and not the 4-door or 5-door. I want to buy the coupe, the 2-door. The 2-door coupe. That's my all-time favorite. As you can see, it's in my background. So the M8 is the M8 BMW is my all-time favorite, and this color is my favorite right here. That's why I put it to the background. I saw it. This car was for sale. This is my favorite color on a BMW M8. So I would buy in the same color like this. It's beautiful. I don't want any fancy stuff, fancy wings or spoilers or fancy everything on it. Nothing. The factory stock options are good for me. I just want this color. This color is the one I want. So that would be the one that I would be looking for. That's what I would buy, and I would even buy it brand new. I know Andrew Tate says it's not good if you're not buying it brand new, because Andrew Tate says if you're buying a car which is used, even a supercar, that's gay. That's gay because another male person driven the car, and you're putting your ass into the seat which was driven by another male person. So that's gay. But I'm not gay. I'm a heterosexual, but still I'm going to buy it used, not brand new, because why would I pay $150,000 brand new or even more if I can buy the same car with, for example, 5,000 kilometers mileage or a little bit more for 40% less, right? So why would I throw that money out? Tom Sable car looks nice, thank you. Porsche, oh, there you go. Porsche is good too. Toyota is good. I love Toyota. Yeah, it does. It does. No, I did some calculations, guys. Really, it's in the goals. It's on my list of goals. I want to buy a BMW M8, or even I would be fine with an 850. It doesn't even have to be an M8. An 850 for me to cruise around, because that would be a daily driver for me. So I don't need 600 or 700 horsepower, because if I just want to go to the, I don't know, just to drive around the city, I don't need 600 horsepower. Even 400 is too much for me just to drive around the city. So if I would get an 850 with a low mileage, that would be good. For example, with a very good, you know, a brand new 850 would be somewhere around, in dollars, that would be around $170,000 brand new. But I can buy an 850i with 8 or 10,000 kilometers for 100,000, 120,000 max. So why would I leave 50,000 at the dealership for nothing, for that few thousand kilometers? I don't care if somebody driven it for a few thousand kilometers. That's actually brand new. That's actually a brand new car. It has factory guarantees still. It has every option still available. So why would I pay that ridiculous amount of money for a car like this in a dealership as brand new? I'm looking for it as used. So in my goal is to buy an 850 or M8 used, slightly used, only slightly used, with a good price. Alpine is going to become a trader. Nice, nice. No, what happened with Alpine, by the way? You drive a 2004 Avensis. Hey, Toyota Avensis is a good car. Toyota Avensis is like unbreakable. I didn't have one, but I have friends who, yeah, used car depreciate less. So, or I would actually buy a Toyota Avensis is unbreakable. That's what they say. And by the way, Tyler Hoover from Hoovy's Garage, I like how he does things. So he buys a hoopty. You know, that's what he calls them, hoopties. So I would be also interested in a hoopty with a very, very cheap price. So that is something I would also do. Like, I would buy a hoopty Mercedes or a hoopty BMW with a very, very, very cheap price. And I don't even care if it has some mechanical errors or something, because then I would know that, okay, I'm going to be spending some good amount of money and I would be fixing the car fully, and I would know that I can trust that car because it would be rebuilt by me, right? Yeah, Toyota Avensis is indestructible. Everybody says that to me. They say that it's impossible to destroy that car. There are two categories of people: those who need the car to show off, and those who need the car to be transported. Yes, exactly. So even if I would buy a 850 or M8, I mean, I would use it as a daily driver. So if I'm not saying it if I would, because I will buy that car, whatever it takes. Like Captain America said, I will buy that BMW, and I'm gonna make a video about that. I promise you guys, I will buy that car, and I will make a video on this channel about that when I'm gonna buy that. But I want to use it as a daily driver. I really want to use it. That's it. I'm not driving it to, you know, pull it out on the weekends or once a month to go and visit some friends, then show up. Look at this, I have a BMW M8. No, I want to drive it every single day as a daily driver. That's why I want to buy that. Russell on fire? What the hell? Look at that. There's a buy side at 97 on Russell. Look at this. Russell is definitely on fire. I have an X6 and my wife drives a Masan. Alright. X6s are looking like... I don't even know how to describe. I like them. I like them. Like, I don't know, some muscle beef, or I don't know. I don't know, some muscle car or whatever, especially if you have some good rims on it, you know. Porsche 928 S4. Oh, V8 engine, guys. Yeah, Hi, if you would have now 20K, how would you spend it on trading? A very good question, relates to trading finally, because we're talking about cards. If I would be having 20K, how would I spend it on trading? What a good question, Rivis. Okay. So I think this question would deserve a separate video on YouTube. So 20K on trading. I would be putting 5K on a personal account in a futures prop firm. No, not prop firm. In a futures brokerage firm, not a prop firm. 5K on a personal futures account. Okay, so I'm left with 15K. And I would be spending another 5K on prop firms, with multiple prop firms. I would be buying multiple evaluation accounts, not like dozens and dozens, but I would be buying evaluation accounts on 5K so that I can have at least 2 or 3 funded accounts per each on like 3 or 4 different prop firms. That would be the budget on that, about 5K, and the rest of the 10K I would be putting it away for rainy days. I would not touch it, the rest of the 20K. I mean, yeah, so 5K on a personal futures account, another 5K spreaded between multiple prop firms for evaluations, and then cost for funding, cost for activation fees. And 10K I would put it away, and that's it. That's how I would put away 20K for trading. But the rest of the 10K, I don't know. I would not spend all the money for a brand new personal account and for evaluation accounts, because 5K on a personal, for me, 5K on a personal futures account would be enough to start to build capital. And 5K to buy evaluations, for me, it would be enough to pay for the costs and everything else. So I don't really need 20K. I need 10K. 10K. X6, yeah, it's so weird. That's why I like it. It's weird, but it's good. 4.D, I had a 4.D too. I had the same 306 horsepower. I had a 740D. I had a 740 diesel, 2009 740 diesel. Do you know how to trade? What's your level of knowledge? You don't need to answer if you, yeah. So it depends on, yeah. 5K in future will lose it ASAP. No. You know why? FX Entropy. My funded futures, use my code TOPSTEP. But you have to be a new Camille. You have to be you have to register through my link, and you have to be a new customer at my funded futures. And your first purchase, you only get the 24 or 25% from your first purchase, I think. Try it out through my registration if you want to, and use the code TOPSTEP. Not sure, it's not a guarantee, but try it on starter account. If you apply the coupon code, does it give you the 24%? And try it on expert too. I'm not sure if it will give you on the expert the discount. I think it only gives you like on the starter plan, but try it out. I don't know. Try it on the starter plan and on the expert too. Russell is climbing like crazy. We have that buy side at 97. It's a strong level, guys. If you check it, 2097, it's very strong. So, by the way, FX Entropy, if 5,000 for me on futures, because I would be trading with micros, and you know, on a 5,000 personal account, I would be making, I'm confident, I am very, very confident that I could be making at least a few $100s per month. I'm definitely confident. So a few $100 extra profit on a 5K personal account, maybe I would be making actually $800 or $1,000 per month. So 5K personal account, and I would be having funded accounts at the same time. Some of them would be copy traded. That would be a good income for me. So I would definitely not be going with minis on my personal funded account. On my personal, not funded, on my personal futures account. I would not be using minis, only micros. That's 1,000% sure. That's 1,000% sure. And I would not be risking more than $100 and $150. That would be the maximum per trade. That would be the all-time maximum. So I would be going super slow on my personal account. That's why I know 5K for me would be ideal, until I would not reach the point that, okay, I did good, I can be raising a little bit the size. Tom, I'm confident you will lose it all. 5K is nothing. Maybe you're right. I'm not arguing here. I'm just saying that maybe. I cannot say, of course, for 100%, but I don't know. I don't know, because I've never been in that position. But I feel confident in my trading strategy and in my edge. And I'm also very cautious with my funded account. And I was with my funded account last time, and I'm getting more and more cautious with the evaluation accounts. And so I can imagine that with my personal money, I would be even more cautious. But I understand, we've all been there, so I can't say that for 1,000%, of course. But yeah. You will make probably in the first couple of days, but when a strike off losing trades come in and the tilt is roaring loud and clear to you, heck, you will go. Yeah, that, you know, I was on tilt actually last Thursday almost. So I could feel almost the same thing, because for me, these evaluation accounts, which I'm sharing in my daily recaps, it's not just about the evaluation, and it's not just about the money. For me, it's also about proving to myself and for you guys and to any viewer who joins the channel that it's possible to go small and to move forward with small positions. And last Thursday, when I had that red day, more than $700 in loss across the evals, I was a little bit on tilt, and I wasn't really feeling bad about the evals. The bad thing that got to my mind after that day is that I was more concerned that I'm gonna be losing prestige, or I'm gonna be losing viewers maybe, or I'm gonna be losing. I was thinking, like, what do people are going to think of me right now? I'm preaching not to overtrade, and now here I am, and I'm overtrading, and I'm losing more and more on a given day on my account. So that knowledge in itself stopped me from trading more. And so in my mind, I wasn't really concerned about the money itself or the evaluation account profit. I was more concerned about what people are going to think if I'm going to lose way more than I should have. And it actually helped me to stop. You know, I stopped trading for the day after 3 stop losses or something, 4 stop losses. I said, okay, I can't let people to think that I cannot stop, since I'm always talking about this every day. I just can't. I can't do that, because I want to prove that if I can do it, because I'm not a pro, if I can do it, then others can do it as well. If I can stop for the day, then others can stop as well. Okay, so my advice is made. Take your 20K, put it into crypto on an asset. I will never put it to crypto. I will never, never, ever going to put it to crypto. Never, ever. That is one thing. You know, if I would have to choose to put 20K into crypto or to put it to charity, I would put it to charity. That's it. That's it. I would put it to a poor family or to medical bills for someone before I put 20K into crypto. No way, sir. No way. I'm not going down that road again. Burned myself in 2014, 2017, 2021. I am not going to put 20K even if so. No, I'm not going to put into crypto. I'm not saying that the crypto market is bad. The crypto market is, as I said, is part of the future. But I'm not going to, especially not altcoins. No way, sir. No. Never ever going to put 20K into crypto. Never, ever. I'm going to put it to good use. I'm going to help someone with that money, actually. I'm not going to put it to crypto. No. Why don't more traders replay the NQ open multiple? Instead, they follow the bad advice of avoiding it. I see great value in just trading the first 10 minutes. Yeah, it can be good to trade the first 10 minutes, but you know, that's a different strategy, of course. That's a different strategy. Trading the first 10 minutes. Do you think Nasdaq will go down or up coming days? I think it should. Well, in this week, I think we should be having some pullbacks. I think today, tomorrow, even on Wednesday, we could be having. This is the 1 hour chart. We could be having some pullbacks down here. This is just Monday. Sorry. Oops. Let me go to 4 hour. This is still Monday? What the hell? Okay, so this is what I would expect until Wednesday. This is something I would like to see. We need some kind of a pullback, but overall, I think we should continue higher. Sorry. Stay away from crypto. At least in charity you are donating. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Greg. At least I know that I'm putting it to good use or something. I don't know. I'm never going. I burned myself so hard with crypto, guys. So hard. I'm out of that. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing crypto. No way. No way. Never, ever. I mean, never, ever, never say never. But no, I'm not putting anything into crypto. Crypto is widely seen like a losing way because everyone invests in memes and peeps and they want to put for. I don't want to make millions. I would have been happy like making 20% or 30%, but whichever I put my money into, I guess I was in the wrong time. I admit that. So I always went into crypto at the worst times. I know. And I'm just not doing that again because it's out of my control. I have no control and I don't want to sit in a crypto coin which is down 60%. Because what the hell? I don't want to realize that loss. I cannot do anything with that. So no. And nobody knows what's going to happen. So at least in day trading, I know that by the end of the day, I'm out and I'm flat. So either way, I did money, I made money or I lost money. But, you know... Another pullback to your line, then sell. Yeah, but the problem is, I'm gonna show you real quick on my supersonic indicators, which is custom coded for MetaTrader. The RSI here, this is a custom RSI. It's not being to a bullish territory, so I'm not entering here. I'm not going to enter here. I had an entry here. You guys can see it right here. Hold on. This was the morning entry right there. This one I liked. This one, it was a good entry. But let me show you the other one. This one I don't like, because the RSI, I want to see it go a little bit higher. A little bit higher and then go down. This is not enough pullback for me. This is not enough. I want to see it move back above the 34 EMA. And I want to see the RSI in that territory and then try to go for a reasonable target. So this is not something I want to, you know, participate in. But yeah. But if you study assets very real, yeah, it's a game changer. I bet here no one know there is a crypto bank that got full license. Anyone? I know, I didn't know that, but you know, and it's not against you, FX Entropy. I respect that you know a lot of things, because I really hear out everyone about this. But honestly, I don't care if they have 10 crypto banks in USA. I don't care. I don't even care if they have 10 crypto banks in the European Union with regulated license. I don't care. I couldn't care less, honestly. But I really appreciate and I always respect any new information. Yeah. Not the time. Yeah, I'm not going to buy Bitcoin for sure. I'm not here. Yeah, I know. I FX Entropy. Absolutely. And by the way, I'm ignorance is bliss. Yeah. No, really, I really appreciate your thoughts. And you know what? I'm actually going to do some new research about crypto, about these things. So hedge funds, many countries, money flowing in. Yes, I was reading about that hedge funds are buying into crypto. So that's a good thing, I guess. 2021, my crypto investment went from 10K to 180 and went back to 20K. Well, at least you still made money, right? That's a good thing. Last thing I'm gonna say though, just see who's behind the recent bull run of BTC and why. Yeah. Ignorance is bliss, yeah. This week Bitcoin will be new highs. I'm sure it will be. If you are in trading arena, you should care. At least at the common knowledge. Of course, of course. Where do you see the bottom? I have no interest in crypto anymore. I'll shut up about that anyway. Hey, FX Entropy, please don't. I like that you have information, because I'm always looking for new information about crypto. I honestly do. I always looking for education and information about crypto, but it's not going to change my mind that I'm not going to put not a single dollar into crypto. I am not yet, at least. Not until it's not being regulated under different circumstances, or it has not been backed by something. I don't know. It's difficult, and I don't know much about that, because I don't know. I don't have that deep knowledge about crypto. I lost a ton of money on crypto in the past years. I'm not going to go in that. I hope that the crypto market is going to evolve. I hope that it's going to be the future of the human financial whatever culture, but I am not going to put any single dollar in any kind of crypto altcoin, no matter what good promises an altcoin company makes. I don't care. I don't care if they put 10 banks into my country for only using crypto, I mean, or Bitcoin, whatever. I'm not. No way. I'm so burned out with crypto. I don't care about crypto. And it's partially the reason why many people out there, I mean, I was reading some articles about this, that partially this is one reason why the recent pumps were not started out that strong, because many small investors like myself and there are many other retail small investors were burned out. They don't believe in crypto. And honestly, in short term, I don't believe in it as well. I want to see the whole crypto market being regulated or being traded in a better circumstances, not being banned like nowadays. Anyway, I don't know much about that. It's not my business. That's why I'm not investing into any crypto asset. 100 lot. That's when the moment that tells me I want to be deeper in crypto. Yeah. Mark my word, Bitcoin will do a big dump. Happened every time. Everyone getting on the hype train. Everyone buying coins. Then everyone. You know, Camille, that's what I expect too. I think Bitcoin is going to do a huge dump. Huge. Like it will be so sharp. It would be a vertical line. I think. That's only my thought. They want to lure everyone into that. The big boys, the big whales are going to be taking profits. And Bitcoin is just going to dump like boom. Like it can happen in a single day. It can happen in a few hours. It can happen in 1 hour or 20 minutes. Just a huge vertical line like boom. And it's over. That's how easy. I was, you know, I was watching Talcoin. Lost a lot of money on Talcoin. Actually, that was one of the ones that I lost a ton of money on. It was Talcoin. Actually, I can show you my crypto address for next time. I don't even know. I had a lot of coins there and I lost a ton of money on Talcoin. Regulated crypto markets defeats the whole purpose of crypto. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. NQ will eat all your money. Man, I've been in this game long enough to know that is only time until people underappreciated on the leverage will lose their shit. Yeah. That can happen. But again, I'm not investing to, so I'm not putting one position to NQ. Hex. Oh, yeah. When I see influencers trading 15 contracts on NQ on 150k account, which is actually, yeah, it's 5k. Yeah. That's a recipe. I 100% agree with you, FX and Trophy. So the same I completely agree. If I see someone on a evaluation account or funded account going in with 15 contracts, that's absolutely the 100% recipe for disaster and blowing up. Like it's straightforward blowing up. That's it. I got a 12k payout of Apex already. Oh, yeah, 100 lot. Congratulations. Oh my god. 100 lot. There you go. Wow. 100 lot. Come on, man. That's awesome. All NQ trading. Nice, dude. How much in total you lost in crypto? You know, for some of you guys, this might be a big amount. And for some of you guys, this might be not too big amount. For example, 100 lot made 12k on Apex on one account and 4.5k on the other account. So in 2017, I lost, it was 2018. I lost about 20 or 25k. That was the initial capital that I invested, 25k something in crypto, 20 or 25k. Then tried once more and lost another 20k in 2001, end of 2000, I don't know. Try to not remember that. Another 20k. So overall, I think I lost way over 45, 50k on crypto. So for me, that was huge money. For some of you guys, it's lunch money, maybe. for me, in my country, in my expenses, it was a lot of money. It was a lot. And then I lost another chunk of money on day trading on my personal account, not on a prop firm. But that's a different story. But I'm on crypto. That money for me, that was a disaster to lose that. So no, that was such a big burn for me that I'm not going to put money into crypto. No way. Alpine is doing the same trading there. Alpine is doing good, right? I heard that Alpine is doing great with prop firms. I'm not. I wasn't checking on him since a few days or weeks, maybe. I heard that he was having a loss or something. Is he trading like 15 contracts? I don't know what his system is, guys. So I don't know. I did see him trading with many funded accounts. You'll make a video, great. You probably lost 10k in crypto. Oh, then I lost 4 or 5 times more. Rivis, many have PTSD of crypto bear markets, post-traumatic. I do have that, Rivis. I do have that. I still have post-traumatic syndrome from losing that money on crypto. I'm not going to do that again. That's big money for me. That was I had two cars, BMW 7 Series, which was a great car. I had a BMW 645. It's an older one. It was a cabrio convertible, sorry, but it was full condition. It was a mint condition. I sold that. I lost that too. That's how stupid I was. That's how idiot I was. So, and I had some savings, and I lost my savings on trading, day trading. So it was a disaster, guys. I had to start from all over. I'm not proud of it. I'm not proud of it. So I'm not going to go into crypto. No way. No one can convince me to put some money into altcoins. Not even $10. Not even. You are not a full trader until you have not lost 1 million and made 1 million. Yeah. So I guess a lot of people are on their way there. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah. That's good for the rest of the people. PTSD. Yeah. So that was real traumatic for me. As after 2017, 2018, when I had to sell one car, and because I actually didn't really need that car, but I put that money into crypto, I lost it. So I was like, oh my god. I was totally down. Mentally, that really stressed me out because I love that car and I wanted to make some extra money on the selling price. So yeah, why not put it to crypto? You can double your money in a few months, right? Yeah. I lost like 70% of it in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I don't even know. Talcoin was one of the cryptos. I mean, maybe not then. Talcoin was later. When I lost on Talcoin, it was later. But oh my god, it was crazy. I was literally watching it every day, how it just dumped. Put $1. Yeah. I only do the 50k trader funding company, sim trading these days, yeah. Oh, your stop loss is a break even, nice. I still didn't have my entry here. Russell is aiming for those highs. Wow! Camille, just thank you for the $5 there, here for the crypto. Oh my god, thank you. Look at that. That is awesome. Thank you, Camille. You know what? You know, with that, you know, I might gonna put it there. I might going to put it to good use. That $5. Thank you so much, Camille. You know what? You deserve an applause. Thank you for that donation. Really appreciate that. I was investing to Telcoin. I was investing to... well, I was investing in multiple. I was having the IDEX. I was having Pirate Chain after it was pumped. Thank you so much. That was awesome. Get money. I had these are the ones I was investing to: XRP, IDEX, ZRX, Dero. I had Monero too, and I had Telcoin. I had ASM protocol. I had what else do I had? I don't even know what I had back then. I had a few. I had ASM protocol. I had revenue share coin. These are shit coins. Revenue share coins. I had IDEX. I had ZRX. I had XRP, but then it dumped. I had Telcoin right when it was on the top. I had Dexacoin. I had I don't even know. I had some other crap coins. I don't even remember the names of it because I didn't really do my research. I was just buying a few. Peace, guys. I'm out. You're out. Oh, wow. Look after Tom, guys. Don't let him lose. All right, Camille. Camille, thank you again for the dono, and hey, congratulations on your trades. That's awesome. I had some really, really bad coins, but I don't care. I'm over it. I tried to get over it, so I'm not interested. I'm not investing. I know I had more. I just want to forget about it. Dun, 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 dun. Jeff Burek was pumping the pirate chain back in the days. It was not even too long ago, and they were pumping it so hard that I put the money right on top, and it dumped like crazy. I was following that guy Jeff Burek because of his conspiracy theories on Twitter back in the days, and they were shilling Dero and Pirate Chain and stuff like that, and I bought it on the top, and I also lost. So anyway, it's a long story. Explain to me, what is a PD array? Premium discount array. Well, you know, we are talking about premium and discount price arrays. So let me, for example, every time frame has premium and discount arrays. For example, let's just go with the 1 hour chart. And let's look at every swing moves. We have, for example, this 1 hour swing move from this low to this high. Let's put a FIB tool here and let's look for the 50% level. Now, this is the 50% level here. Now, so this swing move is the recent, I mean, of course, I'm not going to tell it just the way like ICT does. But for my better understanding, it's like we have this price range, which means that this is going to be the upper portion of this is going to be considered as premium, and the other one down here is going to be considered as discount. Now, all we know is that price is seeking from premium to discount and from discount to premium arrays. That's how the algorithm used to be working, right? At least that's what smart money preachers are saying. So smart money is seeking prices from discount to premium and premium to discount. Now there are different kind of PD arrays. PD arrays can be seen on every time frame if we want to go into real details. For example, even on the 1 minute, even on the 5 minute, but that's like subatomic. So if you want to go with the intraday, that's how you are looking at this. So when they say PD array matrix, then it's matrix because if you dive deeper or higher, you go higher, you zoom out to higher time frames. For example, if I go to the daily time frame, this right now is definitely in high premium. As you can see, we're still going up there. This move still hasn't done any kind of structure shift, because we would need a structure shift, for example here, to consider that this move is over and now we're seeking into discount arrays. I'm not sure I can explain the way like ICT used to. And also we have the daily premium and discount. Now the daily premium and discount is very simple. It's the midnight opening price. We have this dotted line here. This is the midnight opening price and this is midnight. So this means that right now, if we just look at the intraday prices, we are in a daily discount, which means long positions are more favorable to the algorithm to seek to premium arrays to distribute the price from discount. Yeah. So what's that story? Yeah. Price hit my TB because of some spreads. You're still in the trade? What the hell? No way, dude. Well, you can wait to hit it again or just consider to close it manually, depending on where was your entry. Hey Tom, what code for Apex going to buy a 50k account with your code? Oh, the code is right up here on the screen. You should be seeing it, EBPVUZXH, or you should be finding it below in the description field somewhere under the stream. If you pull down the description, you should be finding the link and the code. Sometimes you have to click the link to make sure that the code will be accepted, but yeah, you should be seeing it down there. I have some codes. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate if anyone is using my code. And yeah, so I cannot get a custom code. I emailed to Apex to generate a custom code because it's easier. Yeah, no problem, because it's easier for you guys to remember, but they said at this point they cannot give me a custom generated code. So My Funded Futures has it, Tom Sabo, BULENOX has it, Tom Sabo 1. I have Tom Sabo 1, 2, 3, all the way to 6. But I have, BULENOX has a different structure for these accounts. They have option 1, option 2, option 3 accounts. And they are changing the codes all the time. BULENOX should be having the Tom Sabo 1 with the biggest discount. But Apex is my favorite so far, so you should be having that. Guys, I didn't drink anything and my throat is getting dry. I was talking all the way. Anyway, I'm not having any trades right now, so I'm gonna be coming back in the New York session. Please subscribe to the channel, grab the codes. Today is the last day. No problem. ICT is not for you. Yeah, many people are not familiar. I mean, yeah, it's absolutely normal. So check out my system. It's $49. Go to pip.ninja and enter my mini course. It's 50 minutes. You can download everything and lifetime Discord access. Okay, that was the commercial. Really check the links. Today is... I can better work with RSI than ICT. There you go. I'm talking about RSI in my mini course. So check out the links. Grab your discounts. Today is the last day to grab Apex with 80% and my funded futures too. And TOPSTEP also gives you a very good discount with 20% if you use my link. Subscribe, like the channel, subscribe, and check me out in the New York session as well. I'm gonna have to grab a drink, do some IRL stuff, and I'll be back later. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Have a great morning or evening, and I see you guys in the New York session. Please come back. All right. Anyway, have a good one, guys. See you later.